This video will go through navigating the course website. Okay, so it's assume you've logged in after enrollment. Over here, of course, is the welcome message. You want to go through that. On the left pane are quick links to different aspects of the course. So very quickly, here is the syllabus. You already have this in email, and you can open this and read through it. You are encouraged to read the syllabus very thoroughly. And this section talks about office hours and the tutoring lab, the Educational Statistics and Research Method, ESRM, has a tutoring lab where helps are offered to students on request. So here, the tutoring lab is located at this graduate education building, room number 342. It's simply grad 342. Okay, so there are two sessions of assistance that you get from me throughout the semester. One will be the office hours, and this will be in-person help. Okay, and there will be 30-minute session per participant, and it will be on first come, first serve basis. You don't need to sign up for this ahead of time. You just walk in at the appropriate time. So the in-person office hours will be holding immediately after our class each Thursday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Okay, it starts from 11 a.m. and ends by 12:30 a.m. So again, this will be in 30-minute sessions, and it will be on basis of first come, first serve. And if you just need fewer than 30 minutes, that will be better so that we can attend to as much students as possible. Then on the same Tuesday and Thursday from 12:30 p.m. To 3:30 p.m., we have the reserved sessions. Okay, to reserve a session, you need to use the link here. Okay? This link takes you to a platform where you'll be given the opportunity to select my name and then reserve a 30-minute session that suits you, either Tuesday or Thursday. Also on this platform, through this link, there are two other of my colleagues working on the platform. So if for any reason, the office hour time slots and the reserve section did not work for you, you can check in with any of my colleagues. They have different times other than these ones that work for you, but get help, okay? Get help. That is what this section is about. And then on the lower section of the course, of course, you have the discussion forum, and then you have 4 different sections of the course. And then, of course, we have in-class assessment. I'm going to be going through this very briefly. But I wanted to highlight here that the textbook for this class is free. Okay, so here is a link to download a PDF version. You can go through this entire section to read about other formats available to you. So over here, as mentioned before, there will be in-class assessments. I don't think you have that. Okay, we don't have that on this view. I'm going to go through to my view in a moment to show you that. I think I should. Let's go ahead to go to the instructor's view. So here we have the in-class assessments. You have it's taking a while to load. So we have one quiz, or rather 2 quizzes, and 1 midterm exam, and then 1 finals. Let me be sure I'm on the instructor's view. Okay, so it's loaded here. So here you have the in-class assessment. You have 2 quizzes. Okay. I think this covers section 1 and section 3. You will see that on the course calendar. We'll go through the course syllabus in a moment. And then here is the midterm exam and then the finals. Okay. Of course, when the time comes, you click on the required assessment. For example, quiz 1, then you have quiz 1 here. Click on this and it will take you into the assessment proper. The first collapse link here is discussion forum. Okay, for discussion forum, we have 13 units in this course. They are called chapters. I'm going to change that to units after this video. So you could post a question or a conversation or whatever you want to discuss with your classmates on the appropriate chapter when we are working through this throughout the semester. I expect you to read through this instruction clearly. It talks about what you are expected to post and what you are expected not to post. Generally speaking, you are not expected to request for solution to a homework problem or even an assessment on this platform, on the discussion forum. Neither are you expected to provide solutions to problems, but you can discuss general framework about your approach to a particular problem, but not the solution itself. Okay, so read through this carefully and post at the right point when you need to have something discussed with your colleague, or even like a question about due dates or any other thing at all that you want to talk about. You're free to post them here, provided they are not solutions to questions, and also provided that you are decent in your language when posting. Do not be disruptive or insulting or use comments that are derogatory to your colleague. So here you have these four different sections. Each section has about 3 to 4 units included. And take, for example, I open section 1. Here I have 3 units, okay? So first you have the video resource for each unit. Video resource for unit 1, if I open that, you have a list of videos, right, that you can watch to understand the concept for section 1. So in addition to this video resource, of course, you read the required chapter textbook. So I could read the textbook for chapter 1 and then come over here to unit 1 to go through the video resource for unit 1. Okay, so after going through the video resource and reading through the textbook, then you have unit 1 here, homework listed here. So if I open this, I have the homework listed. Ignore the second one. Of course, you can see it is hidden. You're not going to see this from your view. It's just my own copy that was used to develop the entire homework. So, but you have this first one and this third one, of course. So you have homework 1.1 and homework 1.2. Okay, some homework might have up to 3 parts, but this has 2 parts. So of course you open the homework and then you go through it. And if at any time you need help, use the office hours or reserve a session where we meet. And by the way, the reserve session is virtual session. It's not in person. So when you reserve, we are going to be meeting via Zoom. But if you want to meet in person, you want to use the first time space here, 11 to 12:30, immediately after our class. Okay, I think that is basically that. Okay.